they have a patent on this technology. So if you want to use this approach, presumably you need to license the technology from them and pay them a royalty or come to some sort of agreement. So it's interesting that they would do such a thing. And the question is, are they actually developing a craft that does this, or are they being a patent troll? And if you're familiar with what a patent troll is, it's a party that will go forth and get a patent that they never plan on actually using. But if somebody actually goes out and develops this kind of technology, they'll go after you.
It's like domain name, right?
Yeah,
when they steal your domain name. Same kind of thing.
Okay. That
God, that's horrible.
Work out. So, if the Navy actually has this kind of device that they're building, well, that's fantastic. And they've disclosed to everybody how it works. And if you replicate it, you better get a license from them before you do so.
So just to reiterate this for cinematic effect,
yeah,
you are now saying that what Salvatore Pais is filing a patent for, which anybody can develop, is an identical system to, or very similar system to what is in the SM-36 STALMA briefings of stuff that you were working on 20 years ago.
Yeah, it was part of our active stealth technology, and that had other benefits. And that's one of the things we alluded to, but you don't publish that in 2001.
Okay.
You don't say that in addition to being useful in stealth technology, you might have other characteristics. But, so it's the whole concept of having a double-hulled flying machine, and in between those two sandwich hulls, you have a plasma cavity. That's essentially what that is. And what do you do to the plasma? That's it.
I'm just curious.
Manipulate the plasma.
I'm just curious, and maybe you can't answer this question, because I know there's a lot of questions you can't answer right now, but that's okay. In the future, I hope we can do a lot more. But were you the inventor of this, or was this something that was shown to you in documents that had already been worked on before?
Well, I was the inventor for that particular application.
Of the double hull.
For having a double hull in aircraft, and one side is a bandpass material that you can have radar go through, and the other side is a non-bandpass material, and you have a plasma in between. And I'm not certain if they have, I would expect that one side of their vehicle is bandpass and the other is not, but perhaps that's not the case.
You developed a precursor that helps this technology evolve.
Focused on active plasma